This chicken skillet with green beans, bacon, and mushrooms is the kind of cozy, savory dinner that comes together quick, perfect for a weeknight meal.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
In a pot of boiling water, add a bag of fresh green beans. Before you cook them, make sure to snip both ends. Cook them for about 6 minutes, then drain and rinse. While the green beans drain, in a large pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then add chunks of chicken breasts or thighs. Before adding my chicken, I let it marinate for about 15 minutes with a little oil, thyme, rosemary, and smoked paprika. Now add salt and pepper to taste. Cook for about 4 minutes on each side. Flip and cook another 4 minutes on the other side. Once it's done, remove the chicken to a plate temporarily. Wipe your pan clean, then add a 3/4 package of bacon cut into small pieces. Cook it for about 5 minutes or until it gets slightly crispy. Then move it to a plate temporarily. In the same bacon grease, add your drained green beans. Toss them in the delicious bacon flavor. Add half of a chopped onion. My heat is set at about a 6 or 7, just enough to saute. Now let's add about an 8-ounce package of sliced mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, you can totally skip them. Saute for a couple of minutes, then add 3 minced garlic cloves. Mix for about 30 seconds or just until the garlic smells amazing. Now add half tablespoon each of thyme, rosemary, and smoked paprika. Mix it all together. Turn your heat to low and add a little more salt and pepper to your taste. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. More if you like a kick. That's the secret for this wow flavor. Sweet heat and smoky depth. Add your chicken back into the pan. Then pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. Bring it to a slight simmer, then cover and cook on low for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes in, add the bacon back in. Then drizzle a little grated parmesan. Let it finish cooking for the last 5 minutes. By the end, the sauce will be cozy, savory, and super flavorful. You can serve this with roasted potatoes if you want that extra comfort vibe. Today, I'm serving mine over a bed of white rice. That way, every bite gets soaked in all that smoky sriracha seasoned goodness. And here you have it. I hope you enjoy this recipe.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!